Hey, welcome back everybody. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a hyperlink using HTML. So sit back, relax and enjoy the show. We can apply hyperlink to text, buttons, images, etc. But in this video, we'll focus on using text as a hyperlink. Whatever text would like to turn it to hyperlink, surround with a pair tag. There is opening a tag and closing a tag. And within opening a tag, there is href attribute. There we are going to set a URL of our choosing. So if I would like this hyperlink to make me Google, I will put the website. The URL must be within double quotes. Now I'm writing the URL of Google. First you have to write href attributes, then http://www.google.com. Make sure that you saved here. When I click on this link, it will take me to Google's web page. You can also set a target too. You can set a target to open that URL within the same window, or different tab or window. By default, we have target. The target is self. That will open this link in the same window. Or if you set to blank, this will open in a new tab or a new window. Just like that. You could also add title. A title is a small pop-up box that will appear when you have a cursor over this hyperlink. This takes you to Google. Save and refresh this. And there is that box. You can also turn into an email link instead of URL. Let's say we have a personal email address. I'm writing here my email, mail2:123@gmail.com, and let's change this Google to email me. Save and refresh. When I click on email me, that will begin the process of sending an email to the email address. You can also set a relative URL if you would like to navigate to a different web page. Let's say we have a second web page within our website. So in the same folder, we are going to create a new HTML file. Let's call this page rename second.html. Okay, our both HTML files are located in the same folder. So within the href attribute, I'm going to set my relative files, which is second.html. Save this, and when I click on this link, it will bring me to another web page. Hey Race, welcome to my next web page. So everybody, that's how can we create a hyperlink. You learn how to apply hyperlink to text, buttons, images, etc. Just around one of those elements with a pair of tags and within the opening tag.